morning, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to like this video, share it, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified. And also, if you stay to the end of this video, I have some free gifts I want to give you. But in order to receive those free gifts, you need to stay to the end of the video so I can let you know where you'd be able to find those free gifts. So in today's video, we're going to talk about 3 apps that you guys can make PayPal money on. And the first app we're going to talk about today is BigToken. It's an app that pays you to answer questions and take pictures and also to do surveys. Now, when you first come on the app, I'm going to take this. You see I have 1,598 points. That's equivalent to $15.98. Okay? So let me show you this really quick. Over here, I'm going to click on the redeem. This is what you need to do. You need to understand first. Okay? So you see where it says 399.62? I'm going to tap on that. Before you're able to cash out on this site or do anything, you need to have these 4 circles checked. You must meet the following conditions to redeem your points. You joined BigToken at least 30 days ago. You have to be a part of this site for 30 days. You have not redeemed points in the last month. I redeemed on January 28th. 700 points or $17. You have no pending transactions. All these need to be checked before you can make a redemption. And I've made my first redemption. And I have not received it yet. And I'm going to explain why. So you guys can understand, so you won't be asking me questions. So I'm going to show you the redeeming options. You can donate to charity and have special offers here. So I'm going to show you guys the cash. When you guys connect your PayPal account to this, or if you're going to redeem through PayPal, you have a verified PayPal account. If you do not have a verified PayPal account, you will not be able to withdraw your money through PayPal. Okay, so as you can see, I have 399.62 points. You need to get, if you're trying to do $5 to PayPal, you need to be able to get to 525 points. And there's a 25-cent fee that BigToken does not fee, but PayPal will charge you a 25-cent fee. Okay, and that's for every single redemption here. So if you want to get to $10, you need to get 1,025 points. For $15, you need to get to 1,525 points. For $25, you need to get to 2,525 points. For $50, you need to get to 5,025 points. For $100, you need to get to 10,025 points. So as you guys can see, it's not a high cash out amount, and it's not a lot of points you need to get to. Okay, so I've already redeemed $5 and I'm waiting for that. And the reason I've not received it yet is because they recently they turned into a PayPal only repayment to an international payment app. It used to be PayPal only, now it's international. So they have to pay out before they can pay out to the people that have cashed out. So you guys have to be patient and understand that this used to be a PayPal only cash out app, but now they went international. So you can also you can only imagine how many people they have to pay out. So when you guys do pay out, you do cash out, understand that they are working to get everybody paid, and they just recently turned into an international app, but you will get paid. $5 payment, I would do a payment proof video so you guys can show people that you've gotten paid, and you will get signups like crazy. You can also create a team. For your team does, you get paid for your team, and they have a referral. Hold on one second. Let me see where. Let me see. My profile. Okay, but I do have the referral code to BigToken when you guys decide to join. This is for receipts. If you guys want to scan receipts, you get 200 BigToken points. Of yourself wearing gear from your favorite sports team. Upload a photo of your favorite place to run. I did that already, and you get 4 points. Upload a photo of the last time you went skiing. Take a photo of your morning tea. Upload a photo of the game you were playing lately. Answer the question, do you shop at the children's place? very quickly. So you just answer the questions. Just come on here and you get your points. And the more questions you have to answer, the higher and the faster your points go up. So honestly, it doesn't matter what answer you answer, you're still gonna get the points for it. And that's why I like this app, because even if you still get the points. There's no right or wrong answer. You still get the points. Okay, so to make sure you guys are following this right on this criteria in order to redeem your points. Okay, so I have my 403 points. Once I get to 525, I can cash out another $5. But make sure this is all checked. The green check mark is on every single little bubble here next to the what you need to do. And once that's checked, you guys are able to redeem. But once you have to wait, even though all these are going to be checked with a green check mark, you still need to wait till you get to 525 points to redeem your $5. This means you've met certain requirements to be able to cash out. But you have to get up to 525 points first to cash out. So if you're interested in BigToken, I will leave the referral link for that below. And now we're going to move on to the next app, which is the current app. I remember I made a video about this a couple of letting you guys know that if you guys don't want to listen to music, if you don't want to do tasks and offers, you can take surveys. And I told you that Tap Research is on here. And I'm really good. Or you can watch videos. Videos is another way to earn, but Tap Research is the best way to go. Load here, and it takes you to Tap Research. And it gives you, like I said, that's how surveys work. You have to have a certain criteria, the demographics to qualify. But you'll get disqualification points from Tap Research. So on this app, on the current app, I would do the Tap Research and the videos, but do the Tap Research more than anything. And there is no referral link for the current app. So I just wanted to bring you on here and show you that app. When you first sign up with the app, you're going to have, little tasks up here you can complete. As you see, I've already completed most of them. And you can listen to music, and then once you get to whatever payout you want to receive, which is PayPal, I'm going to do that. For $6, you have to get to 13,500 points. To receive $10 PayPal, you got to get to 20,000 points, and to receive $20, you need to get to 32,500 points. Okay? So for the next app, we're going to do, this is a very popular site. I would like for you guys to not take my word for it, but go on YouTube and do research on feature points. You'll find a ton of videos about it, and it's a really great app. I've cashed out from it a ton of times, and they had the lowest cash out was $1, and it was for 600 points. You cash out $1, and I was cashing out like almost every day, multiple times a day. They've changed it recently, and I will show that to you in a minute. But as you can see here on the screen, it says share your own custom video. What that basically means is you can create a YouTube video for feature points, and you give them the link to it, and then once they verify your video and they like it and it doesn't breach their terms, they give you 300 points for it. Over here they have their website. If you want the website to the feature points, you guys would click on send me a link, and they'll send you the link to the website. And the website works great. And you could do contests. So what I recently found out about and you can earn 50 points of your friends' referrals when you refer friends. You can follow them on Twitter and get points. You can follow them like them on Facebook and get points. You can follow them on Instagram and get points for that. What I found out about the website though recently is it doesn't, for whatever the reason is, the app only shows feature tap research on it, but the website does not show tap research, but the app does. So that was something I found to be a little disappointing, only because I like to do tap research and I like to use my laptop and sometimes my desktop computer, but I noticed that tap research wasn't showing up. So that's something to remember when you guys are using the website. If you only like the tap research, remember that it's not on the website, but it is on the app. So they have surveys here. They have Pollfish, Tap Research, other surveys you guys can take part in. They have 11 more surveys you can look at. But I mainly do Tap Research. That's all I do on this app because it's gained me the most points You can download apps. Some of these apps are free. Some of them require you to play the game. If it's a game or if it's an app that you sign up with, they require you to sign up. Some of these are free. And a little tip, if you've already downloaded the app before, you will not get the points for it. No matter what app you choose to do that, you get paid for downloads. If you've downloaded it on any device before, you won't get paid for it. That's another tip to remember when you're downloading apps. Cashback, they have cashback options. If you buy anything from these stores, you get cashback using this app. If you buy anything off of the app, off of the store that's on the app, you get points. You can watch a video on tokens, and I will leave the referral link for any of you that want to sign up for future points in the description below. Let me take you to the rewards here. You see they have a ton of gift cards here. They have Amazon, they have Google Play, PlayStation, Starbucks. Sorry, I said Swagbucks. Sorry, Starbucks. They have Xbox. They have other things: Best Buy, Adidas, Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts. And here's the cash, and they also have Bitcoin, PayPal, a Visa gift card, and they have Bitcoin. Now for PayPal, they've changed recently because it used to be, let's see here, it used to be, I believe, $3. It was $1, $3. Believe it was $5, and they also had $1,000 withdrawal in here as well. Now it's not there no more. But right now, you need to get 3,000 points to get $5. You need to get 6,000 points to get $10, 15,000 points to receive $25, 30,000 points to receive $50, 60,000 points to receive $100, 120,000 points to receive $200, and 300,000 points to receive $500. I know a lot of you out there could use $500, so my advice to you is to refer people to the app and do the tap research and the cashback option if you like, because that's what's going to get you most of your points on here is the referrals and the tap research. Refer this app like crazy. There's a lot of people out there that could use $500. I know I could. Okay, so right now I am choosing the $5 cash out because I want to it does pay, and I believe it's a 24-hour cash out. You got to wait 24 hours till you get your payment. And I am choosing the $5 cash out on this app. And you can download this on multiple apps. And you just have to make sure it's, a different email. But you can download this on different devices. And this is my referral code for those of you that want to sign up. Thank you so much for subscribing, for watching my videos, for starting out with me from the very beginning. And I would like to show you guys what your free gift, a whole bunch of gifts in the description below that you will find. See you guys in future videos.